Hi, my name is Charmaine Vega, and I want to show you how to make tangerine chicken with prunes. The reason I think this is a delicious dish is because this is something that children can eat, and it's something that they would not normally do, especially if you say it's with prunes. So I prefer to call them prunes. The reason I call them that is because it's not quite a plum and it's not quite a prune. And in order to make this dish, one of the things you're going to do is pre-season your chicken. I like to pre-season my food so that what it does is it has a chance for the spices and everything to actually go through. You're going to add 1 cup of chicken stock, 1/3 cup of prunes, 1/2 cup of onions. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic, and you're going to end up cooking that for approximately 30 minutes, and I put it with a lid on it. And the reason I put the lid is so that the juices will actually get a chance to what we call marriage. They will actually go through and everything will be there. Just before you get ready to serve it, you're going to add your tangerine, which is 1 tangerine, and I actually leave all the little strings on it. The reason I leave those strings is because that's really where your vitamin C is, and I also leave the seeds. The reason I leave the seeds is because that kind of slows people down when they have to eat and they can't eat so fast, and the brain gets an opportunity to actually click in and actually say, hey, I'm getting a little bit full, so they don't eat quite as much. And what I did in this instance is I actually put it on a plate and I topped it with a rice pilaf and a little bit of spinach.